Alright, so this is my AR science project, and for my AR science project I'm doing the Show Me paper slide. So for this we are focusing on body structures, vestigial organs, embryology, and descent with modification. So body structures, these are a particular complex anatomical part of a living thing, and anatomical means of or part of a body structure. So researchers notice astonishing anatomical similarities of the body parts of animals with backbones. Even though the limbs of reptiles, birds, and mammals vary greatly in form or function, they are all created from the same basic bones. Each limbs have adapted in ways that enable organisms to survive in different environments. Homologous structures. These are structures with different mature forms but develop from same embryonic tissues. This means similar structures serve different functions. Vestigial organs. This is an organ that served a purpose in the distant ancestor of an organism, but no longer serves a purpose now. These organs may resemble miniature legs, tails, or other structures. An example would be the modern day whales still have miniature pelvic bones left over from when they had legs. A human, tonsils, and wisdom teeth. Not very useful, but they're there. Why would organisms possess organs with little or no function? The possibility is that the presence of vestigial organs doesn't affect organisms' ability to survive and reproduce.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
So embryology. This is the science of the development of an embryo from the fertilization of the ovum to the fetus stage. Also called, we can just say, the development, fertilization through birth. So early stages, embryos of many animals with backbones are very similar, but this doesn't mean a human embryo is ever identical to a fish or bird embryo, but they look similar during early stages of development. All vertebrates, including fish, amphibians, birds, and humans, show fish-like features, and these are called gill slits, which happen during the early stages. The same groups of embryonic cells develop in the same order, plus in similar patterns, to produce the tissues plus organs of all vertebrates. Last, descent with modification. This means when each living species has descended with changes from other species over time. This also implies that all living organisms are related to another, and this is called common descent. According to this, all species, living and extinct, were derived from common ancestors. Therefore, a single tree of life links to all living things. An example is that a modern-day elephant have the traits they have because of descent with modification from their ancestors. These traits are passed through the genes, and over time the genes can be modified by accident, so after thousands of generations, descendants are much different than their ancestors. In the sources I used for this project, Evolution Prezi, very helpful, factofun.com, biologyonline.org, evolution.berkeley.edu, and evolution.about.com. This is my science project. Bye.